Hey guys, we received this kids instant print camera for test and try. So Christmas birthday gift for kids. So it can be used by kids ages 3 to 12, children selfie or digital camera with 1080p videos. So comes in a nice gift box. Let me take out everything and show it to you. So comes with the two rolls, stickers or tattoos like memory card, card reader, strap, side silicone cushion. So this is the main camera. So it is small and handy. A nice green color, a vibrant color. So this is a memory card, 32 GB card that comes with it. So you can put it in your camera. So this camera you can use for selfie, videos, time lapse or playback. Also have a digital zoom and then funny frames as well. So this is a charging cable. This can also do the MP3 games. So let me just take out all this covering and then show it to you. So this is the roll where the roll comes. So there is a one roll with a paper like thermal paper and the other is with the sticker paper. So if you want labels like the sticker, you can use that one and then simple roll. So this is the silicone shell that you can cover your camera with. So make it more protective and nice looking. So I just start the camera. So it is always good to charge it before. So let me just charge. So once this will charge completely till that time, I can show like some other things as well. So this is the memory card reader that comes with it to transfer your photos to your PC. The strap that can goes with it. So it's easy for the kids to take in their neck and take it anywhere. You can also detach this hook and then use it. So overall, this have a really nice accessories that you can use along with the camera and also use it the way you want. So this is once it's fully charged and I'm just trying to do. So it's not touch screen. So let me just use the buttons. So here are all the options that you can do with it and then play things. So for the test and try, I'm just taking a photo of this soft toy and it just goes directly to the printer and it start printing. And of course, you can change the setting. So this is the normal setting, like the default setting that comes with this camera. And now I will change the settings. And this is the like after the highest, uh, the resolution or the depth and everything. So you can also play the games along with this. So you can do that and just take the photo. So this will give a black and white photo because these are the thermal printer and just take the photos with the high resolution and the highest depth. So this will give you much more better photos as compared to the default setting. And also you can do all these settings in here and then try it. So see, I'm just changing all these settings to the highest one just to make it one more try and show you the difference between the default setting and the highest resolution setting. So they start printing and you can see. a lot different photo print now. So as you compare this with the default setting, this is the default setting on my right and left is the highest setting, and you can see the difference. So, don't think like the camera is bad. You can of course go to the higher setting. So overall, a very nice camera for kids.